Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to help you with coasting. So what is coasting? First, I will explain and then I will show you how it's done on practice. Also, I am launching the course online, which is Learn to Drive online course, which is launching today. There is a link on the description on this video. You click, it will take you to the website of that course. You could enroll or you could read about the course and know more about the course. Anyway, so before that, let's talk about coasting. Like I said, first I will explain and then I will show you how it's done in practice. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's start the lesson. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about what is coasting and why coasting is danger if you do coasting. Now, coasting is when you put the clutch down too early before slowing down or stopping. So say you are approaching a junction or traffic light or some kind of hazard and you need to slow the car or stop the car. So what you're doing is you're putting the clutch down first and then you brake, and that is known as coasting. So what's the danger behind that? Now, the danger is if you clutch down too early, which means your gear is not working anymore and it makes your wheel free, which means you don't get any engine braking from the gear because your gears give some braking to the engine to stop the car. So if you put the clutch down too early, what that does is it disconnects your engine from the gear and your car is not getting any engine braking. Your wheel becomes free, which means you have to brake harder to stop the car, which means you could skid if you stopping the car in a high speed. So because your wheel is free, which means you have to brake even more harder to stop the car, which means you could skid. But if you put the clutch at the end, meaning you brake the car, slow the car first, and then you put the clutch down, that's going to give you the maximum braking. So what you should be doing when you are approaching junctions where you need to stop or maybe some kind of hazard where you have to stop or slow down, first thing you do is you look at the mirror and you cover the brake and you cover the clutch and then you brake first. So by that, you will slow the car, and just before you stop the car, if you have to, that's when you put the clutch down. Okay, so you slow with the brake and then put the clutch down at the end to stop the car. Because always remember that you don't put the clutch down to stop the car, because the function of the clutch is not to slow or to stop the car. The function of the clutch is to move the car, and at the end you put the clutch down to keep the engine running. So the braking has nothing to do with your clutch. Clutch allows you to move the car, clutch allows you to change gear, and clutch allows you to keep the engine running at the end. So always remember that you never ever slow the car or stop the car with the clutch. It's always the brake which stops the car or slows the car. The only reason we put the clutch down at the end is because keep the engine running. So we put the clutch down at the end just before the car stops. Now here we are approaching an end of the road and it's closed junction, which means we can't see both way who's coming left or right. So what do? We cover the brake and we cover the clutch and then we start braking, but we don't put the clutch down yet. So we brake until the end. When the car stops fully, that's when we put the clutch down to stop the car fully. Then we look both way. If it's safe, then we will go. So we don't put the clutch down. What we do is cover the brake and we cover the clutch, and then we brake first to slow the car, and just before the car stops, if we have to stop, that's when you put the clutch down at the end. Why? To keep the engine running. And as you drive on this road, as you can see, we've got plenty of parked cars on the left. We've got a car coming on the other side, which means cover the brake and cover the clutch. And then brake, slow the car. Around here, put the clutch down and then brake to stop. Now here we are approaching a traffic light which is green, which means it could change. So we cover the brake and we cover the clutch in case. Still green, we give gas and we carry on going. So we didn't need the clutch here at all. So we just move our feet and keep on the floor. One other thing the learners make mistake is that they always cover the clutch at all time. If you don't need the clutch, don't cover it because you don't need it. Only cover just before you need to use it. So don't cover the clutch unless you need to. Like here, cover the brake and cover the clutch. but the traffic light stayed green, which means we don't need the clutch at all. We just mirror, give gas and carry on going, which means we need to take our feet off the clutch and we put it on the floor. Don't cover the clutch unless you need to. On this traffic light coming up, we want to go right, top and right mirror, signal right, position towards right. We cover the brake and the clutch and we just brake, but don't put the clutch down yet. Around here, we put the clutch down and we brake to stop the car. Always remember, just before you stop, cover the clutch but don't put the clutch down. Only put the clutch down just at the end so you keep the engine running. The purpose of you putting the clutch down, not to stop or to slow the car, is to keep the engine running. You stop the car with the brake, so you keep the gear as long as possible because that gives you the engine braking. You only put the clutch down right to the end. That way you can have the maximum engine braking to stop the car. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And like I said, we are launching our online course today, which is Learn to Drive online course. There is a link on the description below. You just click and it will take you to that website for that course. You could enroll or you could read about the course. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.